Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC, we got a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and on this Toyota Rav4, we're going to go over how you replace the light bulb. We'll start today with the blinker light. Now, the blinker light is a double element light bulb, so it has one that is on constantly as a marker bulb light, and then it has an element that blinks when you turn on your blinker. So to get to that bulb, there is ample space back here, nothing that needs to be removed, where we can be able to reach in here and replace the bulb. This is on the driver's side. Right here is your battery for the car, and then we have the blinker bulb, the back side of it right here. So to replace that, we're just going to twist it a quarter turn counterclockwise and back it out, and then you can pull the bulb out and get a new one. And so, like I said, this has got two elements in it, so part of the bulb might work, but if one or both of the portions, or one of the portions bad, you would just replace the whole bulb, of course. So this bulb here is a 7444, so 444 of a natural amber, and the natural amber is just the color of the bulb. We're putting a natural amber one in because the light bulb itself cover is clear, and so you're going to want the amber so that people know when you've got your blinker on. So you'll take your new bulb, and then you just press it and clip it in there, and then you're going to line this up and turn it a quarter turn to the right to lock it into place. So that's how you replace your blinker bulb on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.